Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used, and Rig Ready Approves. And today we're going to take a walk around this beautiful brand new 2026 Ram 2500 Warlock Diesel, guys. So you get that nice black on black tow hooks in the front. You're going to have your adaptive cruise control in this one. 6.7 Cummins engine underneath the hood with that beautiful ZF8 transmission. Extendable tow mirrors, mirror lights on this one, as well as you are already going to have running boards installed as you get into your passenger seat. So you have the full front bench. You're going to have your storage up there up top, as well as your glove box. Into the back seat here, guys, where you can see your seat will lift up and you have a ton of storage underneath here to work with, guys. All-weather mats already installed on this one. As we come around back, you're going to have backup camera on this one, guys. Into the rear, you're going to have your tow hooks, as well as you're going to have fifth wheel prep so you can tow from day one with this one. As you can see, you're going to have a rear sliding window for you. Right here, you'll find your DEF and your diesel nice and easily accessible. Into the rear seat on this angle, guys, so power windows in the rear. Right here, you're going to find your mirrors, so you're going to have heated, as well as you're going to have your blind spot there. And into the driver's seat, beautiful 12-inch display, leather wrapped wheel, column shifter, power mirrors, all that good stuff, guys. If this one interests you, give us a call, 780-942-3629.